In this video, we are going to look at 3 stocks based on option flow. Then we are going to look at the fundamental technical algorithmic and artificial intelligence. Based on the information we are going to analyze the stocks. We will be using the Traditics website to identify the 3 stocks. Please use the link below to subscribe to the website. General disclaimer, any opinions provided is general market information for educational and entertainment purposes only and do not constitute as investment advice.
So we're going to identify 3 stocks based on option flow for tomorrow's trading. The first stock will be PayPal. It's a good, fundamentally good company with a good income. P ratio is a little high. Let's look at support resistance. So it is at the support level and it's coming up to the resistance level, right? It's going up to the resistance level. So it's a good technical setup. Let's look at the projection. Projection is upward. Okay. So now let's look at AI. What AI is predicting? AI is predicting very bullish. Okay. Let's look at the flow. Flow is bullish. If you look at call premium is almost 84%. Algo is also bullish. You can see a lot of call activity, but less number of puts. So I think it's quite bullish. Okay. Next stock will be Baba. Okay. So here let's look at the Baba is at 176. So it's a downtrending channel here. Okay, basically it's a channel here. So support resistance line. So it is from the support line, it's going to the resistance line. So it's an uptrending. Let's look at projections. Projection also a little sideways. Okay. So now let's look at the AI. AI is positive. Let's look at flow. Option flow. Option flow is 80% positive. Calls bullish. Total premium is 9 million. Okay, so the stock is at 176. So there's a lot of activity is 180. So if you look at here, highest premium is for 180, 217. Okay, so 160 to 916. So 217 looks like a good date. You can do a calendar spread. Okay, so 12 orders on 230. Next stock will be Facebook. Good fundamental stock. Support resistance line is basically bullish candle on the support line. It's crossing the support line. The trend line is here, so it's probably going to reach the trend line. So now let's look at the projection. Projection is upwards. Let's look at AI. AI is positive. Let's look at option flow. Flow is 60% positive calls. Net premium is 550 million. There's also a lot of put. So 330. The stock is at 328. So there's a lot of puts also and calls also. You have to be a little careful. This is not what I'm saying. It's not a heavily call volume. It's more also put volume also is there. So we are in a short term. We want to look at 1 hour chart with a weekly CPR. So we just want to see whether we can take a short term trade. So if you see here, PayPal is in a downtrending channel, downtrending. So CPR is downtrending and is within the CPR. So we have to wait for the candle to exit out of the CPR. So it's in downtrending. So we just don't want to take it here. Only when the candle comes out of CPR, or if you want to take downtrending, it has to come down from the CPR. So currently it's a CPR. You don't want to take the trade here. Let's look at the FB. Same situation here. It's basically entering a CPR, so it's a very downtrending. So you have to be careful. You don't want to take the trade here. Okay. So let's look at Baba. Baba is quite bullish, but also here also it is still in the CPR. So you want to take the trade when the candle comes out of CPR and wait for the candle to should not have a lower wicks. It should only have upper wicks. Okay, should not have a lower wicks. So once you see that candle like that, you just take the trade. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.